Hello and welcome to Tortle Ninja. We are glad that you are part of our beta testing team. I'm going to show you how to create a basic recipe on Tortle Ninja. First, open the Tortle Ninja beta website with the link provided to you. Click on Launch Tortle Ninja, and once it says Connect Wallet, select either MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Once you've made it to the main screen, click on the Create Recipe button on the top right corner. Okay, we're now in the recipe creator. First, let's give our recipe a name. Every recipe starts with adding funds. Click and drag the Add Funds node, select the currency of your choice and the amount, and then click Save. Since we're only creating a basic recipe, click and drag the Farm node. Select your preferred farm and click Save. This will create two nodes, one for the farm and one combo trigger. Click on the combo trigger node, click Edit, and select Manual Execution. This is so that you can start and stop the recipe anytime you wish. To finish the recipe, click and drag the Send to Wallet node. Connect all the nodes together, then click Add Recipe. Once the Validate Recipe button shows up, click it, and once it says that it works, run it. And that's it! We've now created a basic recipe on Tortle Ninja. Once you get the hang of it, you can use more nodes and create more complex recipes. Thanks for watching!